Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. How to download driver, all driver HP EliteBook 848G4. So guys, like that, type on Google search box. Okay, this which is first website support.hp.com driver, and like that, this is official website. You have to download the driver. So then you click on this website and click to on this side if you want to change the OS. So okay, only Windows 10 supporting. If you are guys using Windows 11, so you can install the Windows 10 driver and it will support. Okay, 11. So this is audio driver. Just click to download it. This is your chipset. Okay, click to download. Try this one, Intel Manage Engine. Okay, and this is graphic card, graphic driver, video and control. Okay, this is size and click to download it. Then keyboard, mouse, this is your camera, mouse driver. Okay, and network, this is your Wi-Fi, this is your LAN driver. Okay, I how to install it, just click to download, wait few seconds, it will automatically start like that. And then if you want to install more driver, so click to scroll down and click to download more driver. You have to click on this. You can, otherwise you can select this one like that, camera and mouse, and then LAN WAN. Okay, and scroll up, the all the driver here show, and then click to download selected file which is required this. Okay, click to download. After you download, just open this folder, open this setup file, then click to yes, then next, I accept, then next. The all the files installation process same, so you can install easily. Okay, so install the all driver which is your required, then restart your system. Okay, thank you so much.